this video, I'm going to show you how to generate elite-level AI motion graphics using a workflow that used to take 3 days and now takes exactly 3 minutes. We're talking studio-quality physics, zero glitches, and perfect transitions using the new VEO 3.1 Gemini model. If you think you need to spend 5 years mastering After Effects just to create professional animations, you're basically ensuring your content stays stuck in 2020. Most creators think high-end motion graphics require thousands of dollars in software and weeks of manual keyframing, but here's the truth. That world is dead. Look, everyone is trying to use AI for video right now, but 99% of what you see looks like a hallucinogenic fever dream. People are typing random prompts into basic tools and wondering why their logos are melting. But it gets worse. Even if you get a decent clip, it rarely matches your brand. You have no control over the start or the end. And the third problem is the biggest: inconsistency. If your first scene looks like a Pixar movie and your second looks like a PS1 game, you lose all credibility with your audience. Think about it. In a world where everyone has access to basic AI, average is the new failure. If your AI motion graphics don't have clean transitions and a high-end design language, people just scroll past. That's the bad news. Here's the good news. While everyone else is fighting with random prompt generators, there is a specific bridge method using Canva, ChatGPT, and Leonardo AI's VEO 3.1. This allows you to dictate exactly where the animation starts and exactly where it ends. You aren't just hoping for a good result, you are the director. You get the speed of AI with the precision of a professional motion designer. Let's break this down into the exact technical steps to master AI motion graphics. First, head over to Canva. Click that Create button, go to Social Media, and select YouTube Video Landscape. Now, here is where most people mess up. They try to make it too complex. Pro tip: to get a clean result, you need to break complex animations into chunks. Create your start frame first. For me, this is just a clean, empty background. Then, create your end frame. This is where your text, icons, and branding elements live. Keep your design language consistent across both. We aren't going to guess the prompt. We're going to use a motion graphics engineer inside ChatGPT. 1. Open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. 2. Search for motion graphics engineer. 3. Upload your 2 frames from Canva. Describe your vision in detail. Tell it exactly how you want the text to appear or the icons to glow. The GPT will output a precise technical prompt that Leonardo AI actually understands. Now move to Leonardo AI and select the Video tab. Choose the VEO 3.1 Fast model. It's the sweet spot. Insane quality without burning through all your credits. 1. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT. 2. Upload your Canva start frame as the image reference. 3. Upload your end frame. This forces the AI to move from point A to point B without the usual AI glitches. Hit generate. Now, I know some of you are thinking, I'm not a designer, my Canva frames will look amateur. Look, that's actually the beauty of this. The AI handles the lighting, the depth, and the glow effects. Even a simple text layout in Canva becomes a 3D masterpiece once VEO 3.1 processes it. You don't need technical skills, you just need a clear vision for your start and end points. Just look at this result. Look at the transitions. This is the level of work that takes a pro 4 to 6 hours in After Effects, and we just did it in 5 minutes. Notice the glow effect. It's clean, precise, and there are zero distortions. Is the advanced move here? Use this for your YouTube intros or LinkedIn ads. When you have AI motion graphics that look this polished, people assume you have a full production team behind you. That's how you build a moat around your brand that competitors can't touch. If this workflow just saved you 10 hours of frustration, drop a like and comment motion below so I know you want more of these deep dives. Now, if you're actually serious about dominating with AI this year, type commitment in the comments. If you're one of the few who are actually going to open Canva and try this today instead of just watching, I'll see you in the next one.